Step into Xin-Gao, Hotel Xcaret's signature Asian fine dining experience. Here, every detail transports you to the heart of Asia, from the elegant, contemporary decor to the vibrant flavors of Japanese, Chinese, and Thai cuisine. Watch chefs showcase their artistry at the Teppanyaki tables, where sizzling flavors and interactive cooking create unforgettable moments. Indulge in delicate sushi rolls, bold curries, and perfectly balanced dishes that blend tradition with innovation. Pair your meal with handcrafted cocktails or premium sake for the ultimate dining experience. Whether it's a romantic evening, a celebration with friends, or a new culinary adventure, Xin-Gao is where flavors and memories come together in style. And when you book through JetSetters Vacation, you'll unlock exclusive travel agent pricing and curated itineraries, designed to make your stay at Hotel Xcaret nothing short of extraordinary. JetSetters Vacation, your journey to all-inclusive dining begins here.